Hi everyone, Dennis here. Today I'll show you how to make a lot of money by trading binary options in a way I guarantee you've never seen before. In fact, I don't think anyone's come close to duplicating this method, and I've been in this industry for a very long time. Now, unlike other traders, I'm going to do something revolutionary. I'll not only reveal the method to you, more importantly, I'll reveal why this method's so profitable. I guarantee by the time this video's over, you'll be thinking, wow, so that's how you make money with binary options. So the first thing to point out is that I didn't start my journey in binary options. It was actually in Forex. I traded Forex from early 2009 through to mid-2012. That's when I turned my attentions to binary options. And I did so more successfully than I ever thought possible. In fact, I've dropped Forex completely and now make all my income from binaries. Now, I know many people lose money in binary options when they start out, but that wasn't the case for me. And that's not because I'm smarter than anyone else. I just approached the binary options business from a trader's perspective rather than a push-button millions perspective. Anyway, today I'm going to do two things. First, I'm going to show you solid proof to explain why the system works so well. Remember, there's logic behind a winning strategy, especially in binary options. But don't expect to see a bunch of fancy bank statements, etc. I guarantee that for the first time ever, you'll be able to see real proof, something you've never been provided before. Proof of over $16,000 net profit per week. Second, I'll explain exactly why I'm giving away my Binary Boom software completely free. Just don't expect the same old bullshit stories of only 100 places left, or I want to help, I need beta testers, etc. Truthfully, it's in my best interest to share the system with you, as you'll soon see. In fact, you will actually be doing me a favor by using the system. It might sound strange, but it's actually not, as you'll soon see. So let's get moving. Have you ever heard the expression, keep it simple, stupid? Well, in terms of trading, that's the most important rule, no matter what people tell you. I've made over $810,000 in the past year by trading binary options and keeping it simple. And yes, $810,000 is a lot of money, especially when you hardly have to work for it. I know you're probably used to seeing those make $1 million a month trading binary options spiels, but let's put it this way. If I have to convince you that those things are just outright scams, then your place is not here with me and Binary Boom. If you want to make money, if you want to earn a great living and be financially secure, stick around. I'll teach you how. If you want to live in a fantasy world of overnight riches, then you're in the wrong place. But there's definitely plenty of those out there. But that's not what I'm about. And it's not even close to proper binary options trading. The biggest mistake made by people who want to make money in binary options is them believing that some black box software product's going to make them rich. We've all seen those software products being advertised, and the common thread running through all of them is that you have absolutely no clue what the software does. The only thing you're relying on to make money is some guy telling you, this will make you money. Anyway, let's move forward. And here's what I want you to do. Answer this puzzle. Why is it so easy to make money with binary options? Because it truly is. And if it's so easy, why aren't most people making money from them? I mean, you only have to choose a direction, up or down, and be correct by one single point to win a trade. So why aren't people making a truckload of money here? The answer's obvious. They have no clue about a simple but very powerful concept called trend. Basically, if you can accurately and consistently spot a trend, if you can find price moving in a solid direction, up or down, then you can grab profits like there's no tomorrow using binary options. And all by simply clicking call or put, up or down. You just need the market to be trending in one direction to make money. By the way, sometimes I simply hate myself. I really do. If I'd traded binary options instead of sticking with Forex for so long, then I'd have made 10 times more money than I did. It's just so much easier. That's because you need the trend to keep running with Forex. If you trade one lot, you need the trend to run 1,000 points for you to make $1,000. And it's so hard to nail 1,000 points. But binary options is totally different. You only need to be right by 1 point to make that same $1,000. As long as price is above your entry price, if you clicked call, or below your entry price, if you clicked put, when the option ends, then you win, even if it's just by 1 point. That's a fraction of that 1,000 point move I'd need with Forex. And if you have a system that can accurately spot even a small trend, then you can bank one profitable trade after another in a matter of minutes. Again, here's how much you need to be right in Forex to make 1,000. And how much you have to be right in binary options to make the same 1,000. Got it? Can you see the potential? Great. Now pay attention because this is important. I honestly believe that binary options, done right, is a legal way to print money. And that's not hype. Far from it. That's the reality of things. And now you've had a small glimpse of why. I'll say it again, if you can accurately spot even a small trend, up or down, you can make $400, $600 in 10 to 15 minutes, even with modest trade sizes. That's basically what I do every single day with my Binary Boom software. So let's recap. With binary options, you can make a lot more money, and in a much safer way than with Forex. You only need to be right by 1 point in order to win the trade. But that's just the tip of the iceberg, the beginning. It gets much more interesting and much more profitable. I figured that if I could take advantage of the 1 point rule in binary options and correctly spot a small trend, not a big one, that's harder, a small trend of about 15 to 20 minutes of steady up or down market movement, then I could ride it safely by continuously placing 60-second trades. Again, placing call trades like crazy in an uptrend, and making money every 60 seconds from each successive trade, and placing put trades in a downtrend. Again, making a sweet profit every 60 seconds or so from 1 minute binary trades. So, imagine that perfect combination. 1, finding small, solid trends many times per day. And 2, placing short-term binary option trades, 60 seconds each, all the way up or down. And that's exactly what I programmed Binary Boom to do. Accurately spot those 15 to 20-minute trends throughout the day, and know when to place trades during those trends. Now, let's talk a bit about some good news and some bad news. Let's start with the good news. Successfully spotting short-term trends accurately. It wasn't hard for me to code a system that would accurately spot short-term trends lasting around 15 minutes or so. That's because I've been designing trading systems for a very long time. Coding software to reliably find long-term trends is a completely different story. That's hard. So here's what Binary Boom does, automatically, of course, 100% hands-free. The software filters out the bad market conditions where price is going nowhere. Trading in these market conditions is the worst thing a binary options trader can do. Unfortunately, most people do exactly that, which is why they lose money. After filtering bad market conditions, Binary Boom then pinpoints solid trends, times when the market is going up or down steadily and reliably. This is the perfect environment to start firing off trades one after another. Now, Binary Boom is probably the most accurate software available for spotting 10 to 15-minute trends. I'm not kidding here. It's like an F-15 radar for small currency trends. Sometimes it gets to a point where even I'm amazed by its accuracy. Anyway, that's the good news. Now for the bad. Well, this was bad news until around 10 months ago. Since then, this bad news has turned to pure gold. Seriously, pure gold. Here's what happened. Even though I coded my software to spot small trends with laser accuracy, I still had to figure out when to place the trades after a small trend had started. Explaining how I did it would be as boring as watching an algebra lesson online. What I will tell you is that it took quite some time to code the logic into Binary Boom. It's one thing to put something on paper that works when trading manually. It's a whole different can of worms coding the logic so that the software does it 100% automatically. Coding it took forever. But forget about the time. The worst part was the frustration. You know how frustrating it is to work on something 3 to 4 weeks just to see it crumble in front of your eyes when tested? And what if the scenario happens 4 times in a row? Well, that's exactly what happened. 4 times, one after the other. The damn thing just didn't want to work. I can't even put into words the level of frustration I experienced with all this. It's lucky I love trading so much. At least I enjoyed the process, just not the results. Anyway, the 5th try was the big break. Sorry, the huge break. After about 5 months of struggling, I managed to code the logic into Binary Boom so I knew when to place call trades in a small uptrend and put trades in a small downtrend. I'll tell you this for nothing. The outcome was well worth the frustration getting there. The reason? Every time Binary Boom spots a short-term trend and starts firing up trades, over 80% are profitable. That's around 8 profitable trades for every 10 trades placed. I know, that's a very high ratio of winners. But remember, there's a reason why the ratio is so high. Binary Boom is a genius at spotting small trends throughout the day. Anyway, let's look at a few trend examples where Binary Boom fired off trades throughout. Remember, these happen every single day with the exact same accuracy. This is a euro-dollar price chart. As you can see, at first price is going nowhere. At this stage, Binary Boom is in monitoring mode. Suddenly, the software spots a price boom, as you can see here. That's the turning point where a market that's going nowhere starts trending. And now, party time! Strong downtrend. Time to fire off as many put trades as possible, making money on almost all of them. One of the biggest challenges I had in coding this was exactly when to place the trade. You always want to place it on that sweet spot of the trend where price is going strongly, up or down. And since the trend is only about 15 to 20 minutes long, and each trade lasts only 60 seconds, you want to exploit the trend to its fullest. Basically, you want to squeeze as much as you can from those 15 to 20 minutes. And here's another example. Again, price is going nowhere. Then the software spots a price boom, as you can see. Uptrend starts, and time to hammer those call trades to make as much money as possible. Again, these binary booms and the highly accurate trades that take place inside these trends happen every single day, many times per day. Now, I want to talk about 2 things. First, how much money you can make by downloading and using Binary Boom. Second, why I'm giving away Binary Boom today. Let's start with what probably matters to you most, your bank account. So how much can you make? Let's look at Binary Boom's stats first. To start with, I designed Binary Boom to only trade the most profitable currency pairs. In trading, you must focus on where the money is. Most traders forget about that little fact and just go wild with whatever they can trade. Wrong, wrong, wrong. Focus on where the easy and profitable opportunities are. and let other traders waste their time and money throwing mud at a wall. After doing extensive research, countless back tests, and many live tests, the conclusion is solid. Binary Boom performs up to 160% better with the following currency pairs: Euro, US dollar; Great British Pound, US dollar; Euro, Great British Pound; US dollar, Japanese yen; US dollar, Swiss franc; US dollar, Canadian dollar; Euro, Japanese yen; Euro, Swiss franc; Great British Pound, Japanese yen; New Zealand dollar, US dollar; Great British Pound, Swiss franc; Australian dollar, US dollar. So, here are the stats from live market conditions over the past 8 months. As you can see, here we have the currency pair. This is the average number of small trends Binary Boom spotted each day for that pair. Here's the total number of trades per day. Remember, Binary Boom places several trades during each trend, so this is the total number of combined trades per day for a euro dollar. Here we can see the accuracy rate, basically the ratio of profitable trades. And this is the average profit per day. As you can see, it's about the same for all the other currency pairs: pound dollar, euro pound, dollar yen, dollar Swiss franc. Remember, these are stats from live market trading using Binary Boom. And in case you forgot, the reason Binary Boom's so profitable and accurate is because it places trades within a trend rather than randomly, hoping they end up in profit. And when you have a great system that 1. Spots small trends accurately, and 2. Places multiple trades within a trend, and 3. You only need to be right by 1 point to win the trade, the result is magical, and you make a lot of money. After your first 10 minutes of using Binary Boom, you'll be hooked on it, not only because of the money you'll be making, but also because it becomes so easy to make the money. It's simply fun. Now, I want to talk to you about why I'm giving away Binary Boom for free. Yes, I'm a nice person, but even nice people have objectives in life. At this point in time, my objective is not to find a way to make money trading. I accomplished that task long ago. I'm 100% financially stable. My future is secure, and I still make more money every day than most people make in a month or two. So what's in it for me? Well, recognition. You see, life can't be all about money. You need more objectives in life than just making a lot of cash. My new objective is to become a leading authority in the binary options trading industry. It's not easy, far from it. You have to build yourself up from the ground, and that comes at a certain cost. In my case, the cost is giving other people access to the fruits of my hard work, allowing people to use my software and prove that it's the best out there helps me to gain recognition for what I've designed and the quality of trader that I am. As it stands now, my plans are to publish a book about binary options trading. I've written about 60% of it, and the rest should be finished in around 3 months. Hopefully, I'll be able to publish it on Amazon.com or one of the other big book distributors in Europe and the U.S. If all goes well, then this book will be my first step towards establishing my official status as a leading market expert. Let me rephrase that. If you use Binary Boom, then you'll quickly see how its results qualify me as a leading market expert. I guarantee that. There's no better or more profitable binary options trading software in the world today. That makes me 100% positive that after you use the software and make real money, I will gain you as a follower. I will gain your trust and that of others using my software. And that trust is the cornerstone of gaining expert recognition. Remember this, over a year ago, I set myself the task of producing the most profitable binary options trading software in the world. I think I've accomplished that by a long way. A few months ago, I set my objective of being the #1 authority in the binary options industry. Mark my words, 3 to 4 months from now, I will be there. And today, you can take advantage of this win-win situation. Go ahead, download Binary Boom and see why it's so different from anything else you've seen to date. Remember, if you haven't consistently made money with Binary Boom right from day one, it means I've failed. Trust me, no way in the world will I ever let myself fail. It's not in my character. And it's not something I can afford, considering my long-term plans. Binary Boom has been making money every single day for the past year. Today and tomorrow are no different. By the way, I also shot a small video showing the software in action. Watch it and see how simple it really is to use Binary Boom. And that brings me to my final comment. I look forward to seeing you on the other side.